right? You got the sons of God, the sons of men, and the sons of the wicked. As previously stated, or as previously read, the missiles are slated specifically for the third part of men, which are the sons of the wicked, which today, hell, always will be known as Esau Edom. Esau Edom, according to Malachi 1 verse 4, all right, is the wicked. And today, the earth is given into the hand of the wicked. You know? And we see why those missiles is slated for this devil. All right? Because when the Lord comes back, as it is also written, the Most High will destroy him that destroyeth the earth. Here it is, this devil, pretty much called majority, all right, of the herd out there in one way, shape, or form. And now he pretty much wants to make way for his evil, you know, for his technology. All right, this devil wants to make himself his God, but the Most High got something for his ass. All right, you're gonna pull out that spiritual belt, all right, which is Yahweh Shai, and commence to spanking, and commence to the great ass whooping, to where Yahweh Shai is gonna come with great vengeance. And you know, certain things we are privy to due to the internet and different people doing their research. But how much more the Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, well, as it says that the eyes of the Lord are 10,000 times brighter than the sun. It also tells us in Proverbs 15 that the Most High, the eyes of the Lord are in every place, beholding the evil and the good. Right? The Most High said to be fruitful and multiply, and this devil pretty much is pushing the opposite. All right? Hey, what's that? Psalms 119. It is time for thee to work, O Lord, but they have made void the law. Right? And when the Most High speaks, people listen. And if you choose to ignore him, you know, well, the signs that he's going to bring upon this earth, all right, it's going to catch your ear. So that's pretty much it, man. Just some, you know, I seen, you know, scrolling through the social media, you know. But yeah, with that, shalom to the elect.